Hello guys, welcome back to Make Coding Easier. This is the fifth division of the HTML tutorial. Our discussion topics is not many topics, but a single topic which is a huge topic, that's formatting text in HTML. What are we going to learn under this topic? We'll talk about the B tag, the strong tag, the I tag, the M tag, the small tag, the del tag, the ins tag, the sub and the sub tags. So before the class starts, I'd like you to be aware of the COVID-19 pandemic. It's spreading rapidly all over the world. It's our job to stay home and stay safe. To keep you all entertained during these tough times, we here at Make Coding Easy are making educational videos related to coding. So keep watching them and keep yourself entertained. To protect ourselves, we wear masks when we go outside and maintain social distancing, use hand sanitizers regularly. This video is divided into two parts. Part 1 is the theory section. Part 2 is our practical section. First thing we're going to learn is the B and strong elements in HTML. B is used to bold some text, whereas the strong is also used for the same, but it marks some text as important. Okay, these tags might not be working in some versions of some browsers. The I and the M tag. The I tag is used to make some text in italics, and the M tag is used for the same. The I in the I tag stands for italics, M stands for emphasize. These tags will be more clear for you when you move on to the practical section. The small and del tags. Small tag is used to make some text smaller than the other text in the same line, and del tag is used to strike over some content. The ins tag. The ins tag is used to add a particular underline to a particular piece of text. Okay, like it underlines some text, just like this, how we have underlined make coding easier. The sub and the sub tags. The sub tags is used to subscript any text. Right oppositely, the sub tag is used to superscript any text. If you don't know what is subscript and superscript, wait for some time, you'll know this in the practical section. So that's the end of part 1. Let's move on to the practical section. So this is the practical section of this video. This is my code editor, the same index.html file which we had created previous class. Let whatever we made previous class, let that stay. We're not going to disturb that. Okay, let me add some text first before using all the tags. The COVID-19 pandemic is spreading rapidly all over the world. It's our duty to stay home and stay safe. Okay, this pandemic has caused a serious damage to all the world. All the countries all over in the world. Yeah, that seems good. First, we'll start with the B and strong tag. So I'm going to make COVID-19 bold. Okay, the COVID-19 is going to be bold. So let me open this with live server. Okay, live server. So you see COVID-19 is bold. Okay. So next is the strong tag. I'll make spreading rapidly strong. Yep. Yeah, it's almost done. So you see spreading is also bold. Both the B and the strong tag, make text bold. Okay. Um, Next is italics and emphasize tags. Mm, I'll make it's our duty to stay home italics. Um, yeah, stay home. Yeah. So now it's our duty to stay home will be in italics. Have I saved it? Okay, yeah. Here there's a close tag, so I have to remove this. So you see, it's our duty to stay home is italics and stay safe. I'm gonna emphasize it. That will also do the same. It will also make text in italics and save it. Now this will also be italics, okay? And stay safe. It's our duty to stay home and stay safe. This pandemic has caused a serious damage. Let's um what tag to use there? Fine. Before that, let's use the what is it? Let's use the ins tag. The span ins the this pandemic caused damage all over the world. Saving the file, reload it. Okay, yeah. So here you go. This pandemic caused a serious damage to all the countries in the world. Next is striking over content. That is done using the del tag. Pandemic is, I'll make this, I'll add a not to here and I'll give del for this. Yep, and that's done. Controls S to save it. So not is striked over. Next we'll um, use the sub and the sub tags. Okay, so again for some text the p tag, then the formula for water is H2O. No, yeah, H2O. So the 2 needs to be subscripted, okay? It needs to be below H. So I'll use the sub tag for the same. Okay, let me save it. Oh wait, why is O subscripted? Oh wait, here you go. I'll save it. Yeah, H2O. Okay, so this is called subscript. Subscript, yeah. Okay, then to make it superscript, we'll change this into SUP. So wait, is the tag okay? Of H2. Okay, there wasn't the content got deleted by mistake, so that was the reason. So it got superscripted. Okay, so that's it in this practical section. So now let's summarize this class. The first thing we had learned today is the B and strong tag. Both tags are used to bold or increase the text weight. The I and M tags both are used to make the text italics. The small del and the ins tag. The small tag is used to make the text smaller than the other part of the statement. The del tag is used to strike over and the ins tag is used to underline some text. the sub and the sub tags. The sub tag is used to subscript any text, whereas the sub tag is used to superscript any text. So you all can feel free to reach out to me. My email address makecodingeasy@gmail.com. WhatsApp me at 843-113-4627 India. You can consult me 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Make sure when you message me with the details that you want. I don't want any spam or scam messages. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll be back with a new video soon.